Are you ready to change the lives of your family and the people around you? Let's get rich together. What up guys, Benji D here from Get Fixed. In today's video, we're going to be talking about product research basically. We actually came across a product research method that's going to change our lives in the course of how we go about selling on Amazon. Subscribe to the channel and I may reveal what that method is sometime in the future. Let's get it.
Get fixed. Let's get it.
As you may know, there are different ways of doing product research on Amazon. One, you could go to physical store locations and scan all the items and figure out what sells and what doesn't. We actually went through a scenario where we scanned well over 200 items just to find 2 of them that sells. Although that's not an efficient way of doing things, it is one of the ways to learn the backbone of the business, learn the operation side of it, how to ship, deliver the item, how to find the item, source the item out, and then find it cheaper somewhere else. Come up with a list of local stores in your area, go to those stores at least once a week and scan at least 30 to 40 items, maybe even more if you have the time to. But throughout the journey, I'm going to show you how to transition from that way of looking for physical products over to online tools. You're going to need to do that or else you're going to burn yourself out doing the physical way every single day and you're going to want to quit. At a physical store, here's what I'm going to recommend you do. You pull out the Amazon Seller app. There's a smart lens feature. I'm not sure if you're aware of it, but at the top right corner, you're going to see a camera. You click on the camera feature at the top right. You hold the product in front of the camera and it'll search it and find the product. Not only is it going to find the product, but you're also going to get the product's ranking. And you're also going to get a selling template. The selling template is going to have 1 of 2 buttons on there, either sell or request. A lot of times when you hit the request button, you actually do not have to submit any type of documentation to prove that you have the right to sell this product. It just says request approved. If it says sell, you're able to list the item right away. Okay, so remember the product ranking I just mentioned. That number is very important and here's why. So if you're finding products ranked between like 1 to like 1,000, it's not good. And the reason it's not good is because there's a lot of competition in that ranking period. So it's going to be a lot harder for you to sell products. Now, if you find products ranked between 10,000 and 150,000, that ranking's good because there's not too much competition there. And the products that you're finding, they're good products to sell. You're going to be able to sell a lot of them monthly. Okay, so now that we talked about the physical way to do product research, we're going to talk about the online method. There's one tool that's going to change the way we do product research and is going to make us thousands more a month on Amazon. That tool is Helium 10. Now we're using the free version of this tool and already just the free version alone has unlocked something we haven't realized that is going to change the course of the way we go about doing sales on Amazon. We've already found a selling product immediately as soon as we started using that tool. Anyways, though, when you search something, Helium 10 is going to give you keyword phrases. It'll show you the volume of monthly searches for that keyword. That's important because now you know what product is being searched for. It'll also give you a list of the top selling products based off your search. There's a lot more information Helium 10 gives you. For example, I like their rating feature. It gives you an average score out of 10 whether or not the product is worth listing on Amazon. The second online tool is Amazon's bestseller page, and here's why. If you go into the Amazon's bestseller page, you're able to go into the category of the item and then click on the top selling items and then see what products are selling and how much are selling on a monthly basis. That's going to give you a good idea on what to sell. And last but not least, YouTube videos. I'm pretty sure on your journey of selling on Amazon, you're going to be researching a lot of YouTube videos to see what is worth selling, what products to sell, what tools to use, how to ship, how to print out shipping labels, all those stuff you're going to want to know. So you're going to be doing research on that. And a lot of times these sellers will slip up in the video and show you something they didn't mean to show you. And that changes the course of how you go about selling on Amazon. It makes a huge difference. There's a lot of things I came across on these videos. I'm not sure whether or not the YouTuber meant to expose what they were selling, but a lot of times I would see their seller page, I would see what they're selling, I would see the category they're selling in, and that would give me an idea of the type of products to look for. There you have it, guys. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know down in the comments below. Anyways, guys, Benji D here from Get Fixed, and I'm out. Peace.
Let's get it.